Has your TP-Link Archer AX20 been acting up? Maybe you're forgetting the admin password, selling the router, or just want a completely fresh start. In this quick video, I'll show you 2 simple methods to perform a factory reset. Let's get started. Method 1. Using reset button. Find the reset button, tiny hole on the back of the router beside Ethernet port. First, power on the router, if already not power on. Now use a pen or paperclip to press reset button. Press and hold the button for 10 seconds. And release button when all LEDs blink simultaneously. Router will restart and wait 2 to 3 minutes. All configuration and custom settings will erase and router will restore to default settings. Login with default IP address and set up router again. Method 2. Reset via web interface. Connect to the router's Wi-Fi or via Ethernet. Open a browser and go to tplinkwifi.net or 192.168.0.1. Login with your router admin password. Now go to Advanced tab. Then go to System Settings and then click Backup and Restore options. Now click Factory Restore button and press Restore button again to confirm router reset. Router will reboot and take 2 to 3 minutes to restore settings. After restore, login again with default settings and set up router as per your internet settings. That's it. Your Archer AX1800 is now fresh as new. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.